Somebody call my mama because they lying. Somebody call her because this is impossible. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Abby. If you're new, I'm not going to tell you to click that subscribe button because you can do that at your own leisure. But today, I am going to be detangling my hair. If you are anything like Abby, you hate detangling your hair. And I know all my 4C babies about to come at me and talk about, you got 3C hair, it don't even take as long. Your struggle is not my struggle. My struggle is not your struggle. Hard is hard. I think detangling my hair is hard and it takes too much time, and that's that. Okay? Okay. Today's video is going to be featuring the Easy Detangling Brush. What is the Easy Detangling Brush, Abby? This right here. Okay, basically I want to go through a couple of the claims with you guys of this brush. I've seen a couple of videos and quite frankly I think the brush is gonna work. The brush claims to cut your detangling time in half. It also claims to reduce shedding, and it's supposed to be pain-free, I believe. All of the good stuff that you wish your detangling experience was is what this brush claims to be. So my goal today is to hopefully make those things come true. This is the Easy Detangling Brush. As you can see, it has 8 arms. It comes in both pink and blue, and it also comes with this little bristle lock, which I really like because you can use the brush as it comes, like so it can move with your curls, but you can also place the bristle lock in the actual brush to lock it in place, and it can be just like a stiff brush, which I think is cool. I'm struggling right now to do it, but I think the way it worked, hold on. So basically you can use the bristle lock like that to hold the brush in place as you detangle your hair, and it actually has one slot right here and one slot above. Or what you can do is just remove it and use it like that. Haters gonna say that I'm gonna detangle my hair before using the brush if it actually works. So what I'm gonna do right now is just speed through my shampooing process, and then as soon as I finish shampooing, I'm gonna come right back and show you guys my process with detangling my hair using the Easy Detangling Brush. Alright you guys, so now that I'm finished shampooing my hair, I am going to start detangling my hair using the Easy Detangling Brush. So to condition my hair, and the product does state that you can do it with your hair just wet and it'll work through, or you can try using it with whatever product you use to detangle your hair. I think what I want to do is do half and half, like try to see how good it'll do with my hair just being wet and with no product versus detangling it with my hair having some conditioner in it to see the difference. So let's do that. I'm gonna split my hair in half. Personally, I don't think I should be detangling my hair with nothing in it because, you know, us naturals know that we always need something to grant some slip in this thing. But for the sake of testing out the product, I think this is what I want to do, just to show you guys. You feel me? We'll use Blondie's side over here as the wet side, and then we'll use Darkie's side over here as the conditioning side. I'm gonna take some of my Lotta Body Hydrate Me Moisturizing Conditioner because I love this conditioner. It has a ton of slip and it always helps me detangle my hair a little bit faster. Let's work with the front just so we can get a closer visual. You feel me? All right. So this side of my hair has no product, and this side of my hair has product. What I'm gonna do is take this brush. I think I'm gonna start from ends to root because that's just the safest way to do it. Okay, first let's do the like run through test and see if it works. Okay, so more than it would usually do without, like with another product. So kind of stops right there. I didn't expect it to go all the way through because obviously my hair is curly, so it needs a little bit more TLC, a little bit more patience, you feel me? But for the most part, for it to be able to go through that much, I think we're good. And it is kind of opening up the brush a little bit as it goes through, but I don't think that it'll work just like going straight through. Okay, I'm not even gonna continue with just the wet side, okay? Because what I don't want to do is shed my hair, and what the product claims to do is reduce shedding. So obviously, if you got curly hair, 3A up to 4C, Z, whatever you got, make sure you add some conditioner or some leave-in sort of product so this can work for you. So from the top, I am putting a little bit of force. So same as when my hair is wet, but from the bottom, ooh, you see how it opens? Okay. Okay. Look how fast it did it. Okay. Yep. 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 Oh. Guys. That was less than 30 seconds. Guys. Nah, they playing. This is not, no. I don't believe it. Because this is supposed to take way longer. Not even my DENMAN brush works this fast, guys. No, I don't believe it. And mind you, I'm working in, this is just 2 sections. So I think I'm gonna be able to finish my hair with 4 sections instead of doing 6 like I usually do to detangle my hair. Starting at the bottom, I love how it opens. You guys see that? It's not like pulling my strands, it's trying to open and release the hair as it's moving to help my hair just flow with the brush. Guys, look at that. I do have some like trouble areas, but like, oh my gosh. Oh yes. Praise the Lord Jesus. There we go. Look at this, Yana. Guys. I know I sound super excited, but like, that's it. I'm done with this side. I just want to thank my mom. I want to thank Easy Detangling Brush because
I just come and put the hinges in their hand. Counting benches while we meet and make them shake my other hand. Really rockin', scooping all the blessings on my lap. Bitch, I know you tried to cheat, you should've never took a nap. What's wrong with you, what you were thinking, fuck you.
So just for the sake of showing you guys how much shedding I got on from using this brush, I'm just gonna collect all the hair that I got from all the sections. Swear to you, this is what I have. Like, can you guys see that? This is what I got. Nothing on the brush. This is the amount of shedding. Somebody call my mama because they lying. Somebody call her because this is impossible. This is literally impossible, and I swear to you, I'm not even trying to hype up this brush, but if you haven't already noticed, I'm in love with the brush. I'm in love with how it works with my hair. I do think that a big key factor in the brush working so well is the product that you use along with the brush, because as you can see when I was using it on my only wet side, no product side, it wasn't working as well, but because I had conditioner on my right side, on, you know, this side, I was able to use the product or use the brush more easily, and it just glided right through. I swear, guys, my detangling time is never this short. My time was almost to 0 compared to what it usually is, and on top of that, my shedding was almost to 0. Like, really, I don't think I have any complaints about the brush. It did exactly what it said it would do. There was minimal shedding, and I'm at ease. I'm happy, and I'm never happy after detangling my hair. You guys, if you found this video helpful, I would love for you to take a quick second, go down below, click that like button. I'm not gonna tell you to subscribe because I already said what I said. I said what I said. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. Click down below in the description box to get more information on how you can get this brush for yourself, because I already got mine. You need to get yours, okay? I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.